Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on closing all tabs on the Samsung Internet Browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Samsung Internet app. Tap on the Tabs button in the bottom right. Here are all of your open tabs. You can hold and swipe the tab to the right or left to close it, or you can tap the X in the right corner. To close multiple tabs but not all, hold down on a tab and then select the tabs that you would like to close. Then tap Close in the bottom right corner. To close all of your tabs at once, click the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Then tap Close all tabs from the menu that appears. Tap Close. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.